All right, guys. So I think the best thing for us to do in wellness to get caught up is really just to do a catch-up presentation. I've just finished it and it's now posted on your Wellness Moodle page for you guys to view. I've also shared it with Miss Carter, and her group will also be using this as well. The next thing I'm going to be working on for you guys is a quiz based on the content from this catch-up presentation. It is not a long presentation at all. It's 14 slides, and of course not all 14 have content. You'll see title slides which don't have content. But what you'll see when you go to each slide is either some information or some, like this one has questions based on the video or the website that it's sends you to. And the intention of the questions or the comments on the slide is to focus your attention on what we feel like the high points are and what we really want for you to walk away knowledge-wise with, okay? So once I get this quiz made, then it will be available probably for a 24-hour window. That way you'll have time to get to internet and not have to worry about connectivity. I would like to say that I'm going to give you at least a 24, hopefully 48-hour window before the quiz opens so that you'll have time to plan to get to internet. I feel like that's pretty much everything. But yeah, super short, sweet, to the point. If you read the questions before you watch the video, then it should be pretty obvious to you what the answers and such are.